Yo, what's up guys, this is ScoutSkills here back with another great video. I just wanted to go over the basics of canoeing today. I'm a canoeing professional. I work at a boathouse at a state park. We give people instructions on how to canoe, where to place different people in the canoe multiple times a day. So stick with me and I'm gonna make you guys experts. The first thing I want to talk about is where to place your friends, where they're going to fit best and where they'll be most happy. Your most experienced paddler should always go in the back. They're going to be the steering. Your strongest paddler should always be in the front. They're going to be the powerhouse pulling you along. So guys, when you start out paddling, your hand should look something like this. That is correct. Notice how your one hand is up top and your other hand is down bottom. They're not crossed at all. Alright guys, this is wrong. Don't do this. Notice how your arms are crossed. When you go to switch hands, don't cross your arms. They should not look like that, guys. This is correct. This is how your hands should look when you cross them. You should have your one hand up top, one hand down bottom. Your arms are not crossed, but you successfully switch sides. If your arms are crossed after you switch sides, that means you did it wrong. Bring one hand up top, leave the other down bottom. Notice how your hand is on top of the tee, holding the tee up top. That is good. You should not be holding it at the pole. You should be holding the one hand by the tee and the other hand down by the base, depending on whether you're left-handed or right-handed. Alright guys, when you're out there, make sure you keep your life jackets buckled, make sure you keep your life jackets on, make sure they're tightened down, and when you're out on the water, don't stand up or switch seats, and you'll have a great fun time, and you'll be safe, most important thing.